displeasing pimples that spoil your mood. Forehead, cheek, nose, mouth. The reason differs depending on where you get the pimple. Where do you often get yours? Comment below and let us know. I often get it on my mouth. When it's so visible and hard to hide it, doesn't it make your day feel gloomy? I will explain the reasons for getting pimples in each part at the second half of this video. Okay, so I will show you how to make the special skin lotion I use when I get pimples. I buy the ingredients for my DIY cosmetics online. That way, the cost is much cheaper and safer for inflamed skin, since I will prepare it myself. By the way, in Japan, it is said that you shouldn't pop a pimple. If you don't want acne scars, it is best not to pop them. So, the ingredients are vitamin B3 or niacinamide, water-soluble vitamin C derivative, pearl barley extract, and white birch water. All you have to do is mix these together. Measuring each ingredient takes a bit of time. But hey, if the pimple gets better and all clean, that should be no problem, right? Alright, let's take a closer look at these ingredients. Vitamin B3. Niacin changes to energy and supports over 100 types of enzyme action. Food products such as cod roe, red tuna, chicken breast, and eringi mushroom contains a lot of this niacin. Vitamin C. It's included in many fruits. It is necessary for the growth and repair of your skin and body. Strawberries have a lot of this vitamin C. Pearl barley. In Asia, pearl barley is used as the ingredients for herbal cuisine, which repairs skin troubles and helps get white, smooth skin. It's also used as Chinese medicine, and it is highly recommended for rough skin. White birch. Tree with a white bark and bright colored leaves. It is a symbol of youth and rejuvenation and contains a lot of vitamin C, which helps condition skin texture. Since there are no artificial preservatives, make sure you use it all up in 10 days. Make it your 10-day concentrative care plan for your skin. If you want to use it for your face, put some of the solution on cotton pads and put them on your face like a facial mask for 3 minutes. While we're doing that, let's talk about the reasons pimples happen. 1. Forehead. Residue of shampoo or facial cleanser left on your face, moisture or stimulation from your hair. 2. Cheek. Hormonal imbalance or excessive consumption of fat. 3. Nose. Indigestion or upset stomach. 4. Around the mouth. Lack of vitamins or unbalanced meals. 5. Face line. Oversecretion of hormones. These are the major reasons. For example, if you tend to get pimples on the forehead, it is probably better to put your hair up instead of covering it. And if you tend to get them on the nose, it will likely get better if you choose foods that are easy to digest and have balanced meals. Please use this as a reference of what to be careful of according to where you get the pimple. I highly recommend you use the skin lotion along with it.